How to use System.io to promote Clickbank products for free step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about System.io and how you're going to promote Clickbank products on it for absolutely free, okay? And it's going to be really simple and it's going to be really easy to do both of this. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end, because in this we're going to be talking about some great affiliation, and we're going to be making some great automated email links that are going to redirect us to our Clickbank products, and it's all going to work out really amazingly and really fine. So basically, to start things off, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making an account on both System.io and Clickbank. Okay, so basically I already have an account on System.io, and it's a really simple setup process. Like if I were to write System.io over here, as you can see, the whole interface is very user friendly, and all you're going to need to do to sign up is just click on get my free account, and it's just going to sign you up. So pretty simple, right? Then obviously you're going to move over to Clickbank, okay? And Clickbank's affiliation is really simple to sign up with. Just go to Clickbank affiliate, and once you come over to Clickbank affiliate, you're just going to go ahead, click on start here. Once you click on start here, it's going to take you through the whole sign up process. So I'm going to go with, I want to promote Clickbank products as an affiliate. I'm going to go with sounds good. Do you have an experience promoting offers as an affiliate? I'm going to go with the yes. Then I'm just gonna go with the random questions. You can obviously skip through these. You don't really need to. I'm gonna go with the health and fitness products and just skim through these as much as you can. And once you go with all of this, things should be good for you. And how did you hear about Clickbank? This doesn't matter, to be honest. Just add something random. And this is important because this is where you're gonna use the email that you want to sign up with. So just copy your email, paste it here, and you're going to click on submit. Once you click on submit, it says based on your answers, if you want to make your first 22,000 as an affiliate, we had to recommend you start with these three simple steps. Now you can obviously go ahead and watch a video, or I'm just going to go ahead and skip that. I'm going to back out from this, and finally we're going to go ahead to log in to obviously start as an affiliate, because obviously it's made our account. And once you come here, you're going to finally go ahead to create an account. And once you've created an account, I'm going to show you how to actually ambassador and brand these products. Now, once you're all good and all set to go with Clickbank products, what you are going to be doing is you're going to come over to your basic System.io dashboard. Okay, now, the main working that goes into the whole product showing and the product marketing is in System.io, because in System.io is where we're going to basically create our funnels and our different brandings and a whole lot of other things. Now, on System.io, you can basically do email marketing, automation emails, and a whole lot of things. But the best thing to do, in my opinion, would be just to go ahead and create a funnel. Now, I already have a funnel, as you can see, but I'm going to create a new funnel over here. So we're going to click on create, give your funnel a name. I'm going to call this Clickbank Affiliate. Now, once you've called it that, what you're going to do from here is you're going to click on build an audience, okay? Or you can even sell a product, but I'm going to go ahead with build an audience because that would make more sense. Then you're going to go with a currency that you want to actually make. So I'm going to go with the American dollar. And if they don't give you the American dollar, then you can just go with the US. Yeah, there we go. And we're going to click on save. Once you click on save, basically, it's going to create a funnel for you, but obviously there's no editing in that funnel, right? And that is exactly what we want to do inside of that funnel. So to edit that funnel, you're going to come over and click on this funnel. And once you click onto that funnel, what it's going to do is it's going to lead you to this page over here where you're going to get templates. Okay, and in these templates, you can start creating things really simple and really easily, to be honest. So to start things off, over here, let's say you have all these videos, right? So, this over here, and this over here. Now, we obviously want to sell out brands, and we want to sell out, different, you could say, products off of Clickbank, right? So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go with something that looks actually intuitive for products. So I'm going to go with this because it has a whole laptop and notebook beside it. So, that would make more sense. Now, once you do that, we're going to just save the step. And once you've saved the step, we're going to click on edit page to actually edit this page for our, actual marketing. Now, once we do that, what's going to happen from here is you're obviously going to go to Clickbank, choose your product. Now, once you've chosen your product, obviously you're going to start adding the details about that product. So let's say I've chosen some keyboard, okay, off of Clickbank. They have a mechanical gaming keyboard. So I'm going to go with Corsair mechanical gaming keyboard, okay. Now, once you've gone with this, you can add the mechanical gaming keyboard details. And once you do that, you can obviously start adding the details about the keyboard. Like, let's say I have copied the keyboard. So there we go. Here it says the legend continues, etc., etc. Then comes the color of the text. You can change that, obviously, go with whatever would seem better. I'm going to go with a darker color. And once you do that, that is how it's going to look. Then you're going to add your product's photo, okay? To add your product's image, you're just going to click on this image tab, and here you're going to click on upload. I'm going to go in your images, select file. Once you click on select file, it's going to open up your file library. And once your file library is opened up, you are going to upload the image, okay? And here's your image, and there you go. Once you've uploaded it, just click on the image. And once you click on it, click on insert, and there you go. So now you have your product. Here you have all the necessary, details and all. And you can obviously add a call to action button over here, which is going to be your affiliation link for your Clickbank. And here it says next step URL. I'm going to go ahead and click on open URL, and in the URL tab, you are going to add your affiliate link. And once you add your affiliate link, anyone who will click on the start for free section will basically be led to your affiliate page. And once you do all of this, you're going to click on save. Once you click on save, we're going to come back. Okay, obviously the funnel is now saved, and you're going to finally, go ahead with the automation rules, change those up. And once all the leads and everything is good to go, what you're going to do is you're going to save your funnel. And yeah, you're going to be pretty much set from there. And that is how you're going to be, selling out products for Clickbank on your system IO in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.